Wow! Oh no! Fermentation?
And then I said to the oxygen, no, you need me.
You need me. Who would have thought?
What are you doing?
My job.
It's hurting Matthew?
Not my fault he ain't breathing oxygen.
So you're putting alcohol into his body?
No, that's the other fermentation. Look.
So why are you so important?
Because Matthew's not breathing enough oxygen, so we have to find a way to complete the cycle.
What cycle?
My cycle. Okay, honestly, I'm really hurt that the other two cycles just didn't know how important I was. Like, okay, glucose is broken down during glycolysis, or in other words, lysed into 2-pyruvate, which is essential for aerobic and anaerobic respiration. So basically, without me breaking down glucose, there would be no pyruvate, and there would be no Krebs cycle or fermentation, and there would not be 32 ATP at the end of everything. Because I make pyruvate, which starts their circles. So why don't they know me?
Why does everyone hate me? I was just doing my job. It's not my fault Matthew doesn't want to use oxygen when he runs. He's so stupid he can't even breathe while he's sprinting. And then the other cycles, they get mad at me because I'm trying to complete the cycle. It's not my fault. I have to do the lactic acid as a byproduct. It's not my fault I'm causing him pain. And then everyone is so upset that I can't create alcohol for them. That's the other fermentation over there. I'm ethanol fermentation. I create alcohol, but I don't do it in animal cells. So yeah, me and ethanol fermentation are basically the same person, except we create different things. I create lactic acid, while he creates ethanol, aka alcohol. See?
So before the Krebs cycle, you need to prep the pyruvate, and the pyruvate are oxidized into acetyl-CoA and
oxaloacetate.
react to form citric acid, and then the citric acid is oxidized. I'm a series of chemical reactions used by all aerobic organisms. So basically, I take 2-pyruvate from glycolysis, and the carbons are oxidized into 2Cl2. The 3 molecules of NAD plus are reduced into NADH, and 1 molecule of FAD is reduced into FDH2.
So important.
Well, fermentation, I provide my FADH2 and NADH, which are needed for the phosphorylation. So if you want to complete the cycle, you gotta go through me. Anyways, why are you so important fermentation? You're basically killing Matthew.
Yeah, so we get along just fine. The Krebs cycle gives me those NADH and FADH2s so that those electrons can allow those proteins to get those hydrogens across the inner membrane. But you know what? Those hydrogens want to come back in those membranes. So we all work together to make sure that those protons get into that ATP synthase and process of anabolism, ADP, phosphorus, boom, ATP. We got it right there. Cellular respiration. Let's go.
Yeah, so, we all get along pretty nicely. Go away, Canella. I'm not giving you my ATP.
Sham, wow! The pain is gone. That must be the act of the aerobic cycle in action. Cellular respiration. Like that?
And the carbons are oxidized into 2CO2, and 3 molecules of NAD plus are reduced to 10.
Go.
Woo. Woo.
And then, wait.
Sham, wow! The pain is gone. This must have been the Krebs cycle in action. Cellular respiration.
Oh shoot, it was already zoomed in.
Like that.
What cycle? My cycle.
Not my fault he ain't breathing oxygen. I gotta do my job. Oh no! There's a car!
Oh my god.